Got no coil control right here at all. Coils are not firing. So now I at least have confirmed that. Again, I smell fuel, so we're assuming injectors. I don't need to go that direction, although we could if we wanted. No reason to. We have a problem right here, and we walk this path, it'll lead us to where the problem is. I guess my point there is there are many paths that one can take in a situation like this. And when you find a known problem, which we found, I have no current flow here, we'll stay this path and it'll lead us to the promised land. There's one fire, there's three firing events. I hear it popping out of the back now. Oh, how strange. Let's go to 20 amps. So there is some coil firing events on that crank. None right now, none at all. Let's watch it again. When I heard some popping, I had some coil firing events. How cool is that? All right, so this is input related, most likely. It could also be no power to the coil. So my next step is I want to make sure that I have voltage to these coils. I got to pull that cover off. Okay, second channel, we'll go volts. Power feed is the white with a red. That's going to be that guy right there. Oh, that's awesome. If that's a legit reading. So anytime I expected to see voltage, I didn't see voltage, so I'm going to take my meter, go over here and make sure that I can read voltage. And I am not. Always do that, always do that. Why? Because now we're going to start chasing no voltage to these coils, and that might not be the problem. What's the problem in this circumstance? What am I holding in my hand? My ground lead for my multimeter that I didn't hook up. Things you can miss along the way. Like, you always got to check yourself, always, always, always. And in this case, we expected to see voltage. Snap on their leads. We expect to see voltage on this coil. It wasn't there. Before I start chasing that problem, we make sure that our meter can read. 11.9.